What's up, Factory? After so dang long, I'm finally bringing you another Gunpla build video. Anyway, today we're going to be putting into production the high-grade RGM-79GS GIMP Command Space Type. That's a long name. This kit was very affordable, and for the price, I've heard nothing but good things about it. This is by far one of my favorite GIMP variants. Its overall design just oozes sleek performance. That is, for a mass-produced grunt fitty unit, of course. One thing that really stood out to me was the shield design. I really dig it. Its modern design complements this high-performance GIMP so well, and I prefer it over the classic style shield from the original GIMP. I want to build more kits with this shield style. For this build video, I'm going to try the work in progress format. I tried to do this in the past, but at the time I wasn't sure how to approach it. Now that I have a bit more experience making content, I'm going to break down the builds into 3 to 4 videos depending on the kit. That will comprise of a straight build stage, a prep work and spray work stage, and a detail finishing stage. Then once those videos are posted, I will edit those 3 parts together into a complete video. This will ease my workload, and I'll be able to bring out more content for y'all to enjoy more frequently. Let me know what you think about this approach in the comments. Alright, with that out of the way, let the work shift begin. Let's do our best. The high-grade GEM Space type was a quick fun build. Some of you experienced Gunpla builders will have it built easily in under an hour. The GEM Space command type is an amazing design. It has this sort of presence that screams confidence. To me, it feels like a mobile suit that is always at the ready and willing to get the job done. It's an inspiring design, and I love it. On this kit, some of the details are a bit soft and get lost a bit, but panel lining and a flat top coat should really bring them out. I'm looking forward to the painting process. But for now, we close up shop and get some rest. The real work starts in part 2.